Hey guys, today what you will be doing is practicing finding the constant rate of change in different formats. So I'm going to kind of go through some of the different formats you'll see. Sometimes we'll see word problems. Sometimes we will see tables. Sometimes we will even see graphs. And another thing that you might see is an equation. So those are typically the four representations that you will see when you're looking at proportional relationships. So just as a reminder, to find the constant rate of change, what you're finding is the unit rate. So for one of something, okay? So for example, if we see 232 miles in 4 hours, 319 miles in 5.5 hours, we see that our answer choices are per hour. So we're wanting to find how many miles are they going in 1 hour. You could set up a proportion. You could also do the change in y divided by the change in x, or the y value divided by the x value. I'm going to show you all of those different ways here on number 1. So one thing that I would do would be to set up a proportion. That way you can also kind of go back and check how your work is, if it matches up with the proportion. So like we have 232 miles in 4 hours. We want to know how many miles in 1 hour. So we know if we set this up, we do cross multiplication and division. So I'm going to do 232. Actually, let me go back to the home screen here. 232 times 1 is 232 divided by 4. That will give me 58. Notice I'm also doing, just like how I told you before, y divided by x. That's what I'm doing here, is y divided by x. I can try it again with this rate to make sure that they're the same. So I could do 319 divided by 5.5. And I also get 58. So that does tell me that there's a constant rate of change. It's not going to vary. Okay. So my answer here would be C, 58 miles per hour. So regardless of how you solve it, I want you to show your work. So I could have shown my work in this way. Also 232 divided by 4. And I'll just go through this long division just in case you need a refresher. So 4 goes into 2 0 times. 4 goes into 23 5 times. 5 times 4 is 20. I'm going to subtract and bring that down. 4 goes into 32 8 times evenly. 8 times 4 is 32. And so I'm done. So also if I do y value divided by x value, I should also still get my k, which is my constant of proportionality. Okay, guys, as always, if you have any questions, inbox me, email me, whatever you need to do. Thank you, guys. Bye.